Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. There are many different colors and styles of acrylic nails available. So you can find the perfect look to suit your style. Some of the most popular colors including pink, red and white. You can also get acrylic nails in a variety of different shapes such as oval and square. If you are looking for something a little more unique, you can also opt for a glitter or restone aesthetic nails. Acrylic nails are also available in a ring of a finish from matte to high gloss. How to care of acrylic nails? If you are consider creating acrylic nails, it is important to know how to care for them properly. Here are some tips. Keep your nails clean and dry. Acrylic nails can trap dirt and moisturize, so make sure to wash your hands often and avoid getting the wet. Be careful with chemicals. Acrylic nails are susceptible to damage for the harsh chemicals, so avoid using them when possible. If you are a must use them, wear gloves to perfect your nails. Keeping your nails well groomed, trim your nails regularly and